Imagine if I had a real army, though. Do you think I'd be a good world leader?
Sure. Yes, you have very compelling arguments, such as a gun.
Would you feel safe in a world led by me?
It would surely take some time to get used to, but, yeah, why not?
Wow, I wish I could say the same about you. I think we should move on from talking about armies and world leaders.
I think so too. Yes, we should.
Honestly, I think I'd be a pretty terrible world leader. I'd probably
You'll
be
be
really
fine.
indecisive and forget about important stuff.
What does this button do?